If you want to see a cool Easter look, stay tuned and I'll show you how I got this baby. Check it out. Today I decided to use the Fade Into Hue ColourPop palette to finally do the Easter look I've been talking about since Christmas. Obviously these colors were immediate Easter vibes. Even just the packaging feels like Easter for some reason. It's like a, I don't know, it was waiting for this day, and finally the day has come and I finally made this look. So I hope you guys enjoy. I still got these nails, which are totally Easter vibes too. It's just like working out perfectly. Stay tuned, check it out. Happy Easter. I'm gonna start with this yellow right in the front here, like a little chick. Not a girl, a chickie, little chicken. I do celebrate Easter because my family does. So my background is Polish and then Danny's background is Italian. We actually do Easter, which I'm down for all holidays. I just like eating the food or whatever. Obviously this year it's a little different because of the COVID life. So, you know, it's not gonna be the same traditions, but at the same time, I figure I might as well do an Easter look because I've been talking about doing it with this palette. I feel like I needed to do it, you know? Next, I'm gonna transition into this pink. So the yellow was called Big Smile. The pink is called Lovecraft. Do you gotta go potty? I think my dog needs to go potty. I'm gonna go outside with this eye look. My neighbors must think I'm crazy. My one neighbors know that I'm a YouTuber. I love those neighbors. And then my other neighbors definitely don't know. So they probably just think that I'm some kind of weird wife. Like, who is this lady? It's an older gentleman and he has like daughters and stuff that are younger, but yeah. I don't really talk to those neighbors much besides the man, so it's not like I'm like, yeah, by the way, I do YouTube. Check out my channel. Neighbors are such an interesting concept. It's like, you never know what they do, or like sometimes you don't know what they do for like a living or whatever. It's just, it's an interesting concept. You live right next door to these people, but sometimes it takes years. You may live next to somebody for like 10 years before you find out like what they do or whatever. Okay, next I'm gonna use Selfie, which is this violet color. We're going for Easter egg vibes, guys. Oh, I really love this violet. I really feel like these colors are so Easter. It's not even funny. And my nails are kind of Eastery, and I wore this hat that is not Eastery at all. But I don't know, I was just like, I'm wearing a hat. I didn't feel like doing my hair, I'm gonna be honest with you guys. Now I'm gonna go in with this Take It Easel. See what they did there? And I'm gonna put that on the very edge and kind of shape it into like a pointed shape. So I'm just freehanding this business. You know what is fun? When new neighbors move in. We haven't met the newest neighbors that moved in because, you know, COVID and all that, but there's new neighbors that moved in across the street and it was so exciting. I felt like a creep. I was like looking out my window, who's gonna live there, you know? Cause I don't know, you just like, you wanna know. You're like, who's gonna live in my neighborhood? So for sure, Danny and I were out there lurking, seeing like who's moving in. But yeah, we haven't met them proper yet. I don't know what to do now. Now that I have that, what now? Maybe I need to do something on the bottom. My husband's back home. What? Hi. I'm talking to the people.
Oh, hi, people.
Back to business. I don't know exactly where I left off, but we're gonna go in underneath my eye now. I'm gonna use this dyed up color to add a little green life to this, because I feel like Easter you need green. And green on the bottom feels like, you know when you make the basket and then you put the little green stuff on the bottom of a basket? That's what that feels like, and I love that. So that works out perfect. Oh my God, tell me that's not Easter. Like, great. This whole time since I got this palette, that's the main vibe I've been feeling the whole time, which is funny because why Easter? I don't know, but that's what this is. My dog keeps crying. I don't know what she needs. We've taken her outside. Hula, you okay? What's wrong? Come here. I say hi to the people. Come here. Come here. I'm wearing a skirt and she's scratching my legs so hard right now. Oh, Hula, you're hurting me. Well, my legs are all scratched. My legs are all scratched. Are you gonna yawn because that's what you do? You yawn? Is that what you're gonna do, is yawn? You okay? Did you get scared? She's a little bit scaredy cat. She met our neighbor's dog when we were on a walk. There she goes. Of course she yawned. Why wouldn't you yawn? You would yawn. She was so scared of our neighbor's dog, and it's smaller than her, and she's just a little scared girl. She's a little scared cutie. Look, say hi. Look, look. Oh, that's a jump. She's out of here, man. Okay, back to business again. So yeah, so this green reminds me a little bit of like putting the green at the bottom of the basket. This is, I didn't plan this, but girl, that's so Eastery. Nice. Okay, okay. Now, I don't know. I'm gonna bust out this ColourPop cream gel color, and it's the exit one, and it's the little paint pot. So I don't know what I'm doing here. Sorry that you can hear my dog doing activities. That's just where she's at in life right now. She's doing activities, and I have to film this video because Easter's around the corner, and I ain't got time to be playing. So I'm gonna go in and outline this. That feels a little drying. I don't wanna use that one, I lied. I'm gonna use Hang Tight. Okay, I'm actually gonna use ColourPop Liquid Liner instead because it'll definitely look better. Oh yeah, that's where it's at. Cute. I feel like I'm putting a shadow over my face. I'm gonna move this mirror here. Oh no. Oh no. I'm messing it up. This is a bad idea. Not doing it the way I normally do it is a really bad idea. You know what though? I'm not sad. No, I am sad. I'm gonna fix this. I almost dropped my camera again. It's been a while since I've had one of my famous camera drops. That's so Eastery. So I just got this Glittery Obsessed in the color You're a Firework. And I want to add some of this to this look. I like how huge these jars are. They're not like your standard size. They're a little bigger, which I didn't know when it was coming. So I was definitely pleasantly surprised. I'm gonna put some of these in here in the corner. There's stars and circles. I'm gonna try to avoid any stars because I want circles. Circles feel more proper for the holiday. Hula, don't do it. And I'm gonna put it in the bottom so it like reflects cute. Well, that's fun. My dog is legit walking around sniffing the entire floor. This is new business. I don't know where this started. She never did this kind of stuff before, but that's what she feels like doing right now. Hula, are you okay? Maybe she's okay. Now I'm gonna use the Icebreaker from ColourPop Cream Gel Liners. It matches my nails perfectly. And I'm gonna do that on my waterline. I'm gonna go in with the ColourPop Gel Liner in the white and just do my liner with that. I love that when I wanna film videos is her time to like be crazy. But legit, she's like the most calm dog all day. She never barks. She maybe barks once a day tops. Like some days she just doesn't bark. Which I feel like when you get a dog, you can't know. You can't be like, oh, I would like to purchase a dog that doesn't bark, please. That's like not a thing, you know what I mean? So you just can't really know. Sometimes the dog gets to you and they're just a barker, and she is definitely not that. The only downside to it is that she can't really tell us when she needs to go to the bathroom. We just take her out. Luckily, we're home all day with her, so it's fine. She kind of just paces around when she has to go to the bathroom, which makes me wonder if she has to go now. Before I started filming, we took her out like 5 times before we went back to recording. She's just playing with a toy now. So, and she didn't do anything. So we were like, yeah, she's just playing games. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with this actual cream, and I'm gonna fill in this. I'm gonna fill this in to be bolder white. As you guys can tell, this is like a lot whiter. It's thicker and harder to use for sure. So if you don't have a lot of practice with like thick liners or doing these liners, this can be kind of hard. I'm not gonna lie to you all, but with some practice, you can get it too. I had it screwed on tight too, so I don't think it dried out or anything like that. I just think it is what it is. Oh my God, I have to show you guys her right now. She's having a good old time. So I'm gonna use the About Face one because this is definitely more of a liquid and that'll work a lot easier for me. I don't got all day to make the other one work, so I'm just gonna do this one. Yeah, that's like way easier for sure. This one takes quite some time to dry, so make sure you don't like open your eye fully. Yeah, I was able to make it even bigger, which I'm excited for. Oh no, I got it on my hat. Ooh. Never a dull moment here. That's just gonna stay there. All right, I'm moving along. I think that's the fun part of YouTube is like, I don't even know what's gonna happen while I'm filming sometimes. I swear there's always something interrupting me or whatever. I kind of like the chaos where I kind of don't know what's next and I don't know like what video I'm gonna film next. Sometimes I plan like maybe a week ahead of time, but most of the time I'm just like, I don't know, we'll see what happens. And I sort of play it by ear. Cool, I'm loving that. Seriously, the one time my dog decides to go crazy. I'm gonna actually outline that upper line with this too because it's so much whiter and bolder. Dude, my dog is going nuts. Literally all day she just sits there. She does nothing. And right now she's like, I'm going in. She's chilling out now. She's behind me. I don't know what she's doing. Hula, what are you doing? Can you guys even see her down there? No. I'm loving it. I'm gonna pop on some lashes, do some more black liner, fix my brows, add more stuff, and I will be right back. All right guys, and I'm done. Here's my final look. I ended up adding black liner around the white liner because once I put the lashes on, it kind of didn't look good. So I was just like, okay, I'll fix it up, and I ended up outlining the top white liner. And here is my finished Easter look. I hope you guys like it. This was a fun one to do. I ended up taking off my hat and just putting these little clips because I wasn't feeling the hat with the look actually. And as you guys can see, I feel like it makes sense. Like these look better. Because I did so much off camera, I feel like. And as I was doing it, I was like, it's just a little bit. It's just a little bit. And it kept adding and adding and adding. And I was like, I should just be recording all this. But I didn't, so sorry. Hope you all like this look. Hope you have a good Easter if you celebrate Easter. If you don't, just go buy one of those chocolate bunnies anyway and eat it, cause why not? Or wait till the day after and then they'll be on sale. You know what I'm saying? And a bunch of Easter candy, it's all right.